Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run JavaScript program in Google Antigravity. So if I open this place command prompt and if I write there first using the CLS command, if I write there node minus v. So you can see Node.js 24 version that install. If I write there npm minus v, then you can see 11% that install. So Node.js must be installed there. Thereafter, let's open the Google Antigravity ID. Now here you can see this. So first project is already there. Now it's going to create. Click on this new file. Let's give there hello dot for JavaScript. We need to give the extension JS. So hello.js is the file name and thereafter here. So let's print there first simple hello world program console.log. Let's write there hello world dot control s to save. So here if I go in this extension in your system code runner must be installed. So in your Google Antigravity ID code runner must be installed. So with the help of this, we can run the C, C++, JavaScript, Python, many more. So this must be installed. Thereafter, what you need to do, right click there, then click on this run code. So here you can see hello world that's so displaying. Thereafter here, this is the code to add two numbers. So Control V, Control S to save. Right click there, run code. So here you can see 12 that's so displaying. So enter 57 and according to given code that's so returning the output. If I write there 9, Control S to save, then run the code. So here 14 that's so displaying. 9 plus 5, 14 that's so displaying. Okay, so by following this approach, you can easily run their JavaScript code inside the Google Antigravity. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.